mago ma odhiambo. Kadhi nyime en ni Migago mar omenda biro keto tenge omenda maromo Sh10,15 ne japuonjre ka japuonjre mabiro konye chwalo kendo chopo kare chenro mar somo ma onge chudo e skunde mag piny owacho. Jatend Migago mar somo Eliud Machogu wacho ni piny owacho bende biro tiyo gi omenda maromo Sh9.6 bilion ne chenro mag junior sekondar higani. Machogu yango ni koro jopuonjre manyo timo penj margi ma klas 8 KCPE biro ng'eyo skunde ma gibiro riwrego. Mae kaka ne uloso e kinde ma okadho kane oyango chenro makama.
So you are aware, for the other cadre, we are opening the schools on 23rd, but for junior secondary school, they are reporting on the 30th January of this month. The ministry is currently carrying out a comprehensive countrywide assessment of all public and private schools to determine their readiness to admit runners to junior secondary school. The exercise, which began on 9th January 2023, is set to end on this Friday, 20th January 2023. The assessment considers, among other factors, whether the respective school has adequate run to hold the junior secondary school level, availability of buildings to be used as classrooms and laboratories, and whether the school has adequate water and power supply. As of Friday, 13th January 2023, a total of 14,589 public and private schools had been assessed. Of this, 13,221 schools had been approved to host the junior secondary schools. I direct our merged sectoral teams to work around the clock to ensure they complete the assessment exercise by the 20th January 2023 deadline. As you can also confirm from these figures, that out of the 14,000 public schools that have been so far assessed, over 13,000 qualify, meaning they meet the minimum criteria that we set, and the schools that are not going to qualify are actually very, very few. And even those that don't qualify, we find either the enrollment of the students is below the required number. You get probably they are 10, they are 15, and it therefore makes a lot of meaning that we transfer them to the neighboring school where there will be enough facilities, teachers, and the rest. And in this, we are also providing, ensuring that the laboratories are in place, and for the time being, as we are in the process of doing them, the neighboring secondary schools, where they are available, they will also be used while we are in the process of ensuring that each and every school has the required facilities. I now come to Form 1 selection. Form 1 selection and placement exercise was undertaken to ensure smooth transition from primary to secondary schooling for the 2022 KCPE examination candidates. This process has been carried out in a way that ensured fairness in the placement of KCPE examination candidates of 2022. The placement was based on choice, merit, and availability of places. The 2022 KCPE examination...
Ramogi.